What is up, YouTube? Today's video is going to be slightly different today, because I'm not really installing anything. They're already installed, but I've gotten a lot of questions about the mirrors on my Grom. So I wanted to talk about them a little bit. These guys right here. They're actually the Mick Tuning bar end mirrors. I will link them down below. As you can see, I have not mounted them on my bar ends. I have mounted them to my bars themselves for a couple reasons. Main reason being these Pro Taper bars are already kind of wide, and the spot I keep my Grom is not wide, so I needed to keep that in mind with my mirrors. Enough looking at them, talking about them. Let's hop on the bike, see them in action. Mirrors. My bar end, not on the bar end mirrors. Not gonna lie to you guys, I basically only put these on here for legal purposes. So couldn't get in trouble for not having mirrors. I had no intention to actually use them, but they ended up working out pretty good. I can see like just past my side there. So like as long as you're not a big old thick boy, you should be able to run them just like that. And you could move them up further on the bars to get you out a little more. But yeah, anyways, the mirrors, they're cheap, they function, they do their thing. They would honestly probably be better up top of the bars or on the bar ends as they're supposed to be, but they do what I need them to do down here. I've had some people ask where I got the idea. I actually, if you don't know this about me already, I'm like really into old choppers. That's kind of my motorcycle background, is old choppers. And it's kind of an older chopper thing, is to like run one mirror under the bars just for legal purposes. That way you can't get pulled over and hassled for not having mirrors, because you got a mirror, it's just useless. But they don't need to know that. But yeah, a lot of chopper dudes will run one mirror under the bars, or like just right off the triple tree there, just for appearances. But I kind of took the idea from that. I did see one other YouTuber on a Grom with these same exact mirrors mounted this way, and like as soon as I saw him, I was like, oh yeah, hell yeah. So I will, if I can, I'll try and find that video, and I'll give him some credit there. I don't remember who that was, but yeah, so I didn't come up with this by myself. Like, people have been kind of doing this for a while, but just wanted to make a little video. You know, had a lot of questions, and I'm not gonna say I'm tired of answering the same question over and over, but I've answered it enough times. I'm like, I should just make a video answering these questions. Yeah, the mirrors. About them. They're mirrors. They allow me to see behind me. I guess one thing I could talk about is I guess like, so like the safe thing, right, is to have your mirror up here where like you can see behind you and not really take your eyes off the road. With these, you do have to like look downward, you know, a little bit, so you're taking your eyes off the road, which isn't safe, but I'm not gonna judge you for doing that. Yeah. You're your own person. You can make your own decisions, you know, however comfortable you are on a bike. If you feel good taking your hands off the bars and looking down without crashing, then do that. If you're not confident enough to do that, don't do that. I am not your dad, and I am not a cop, so take what I say with a grain of salt. Let's go this way. This is kind of a fun way to go. See the water under the bridge. People are always talking about that stuff. Oh, just thought about it. Another question I've been asked multiple times about these mirrors is, are they legal to run them this way? And I will say, I don't know. I'm not a lawyer and I don't know where you live. Where I'm at, I believe this is acceptable. That's just my interpretation of the law. I believe this to be acceptable. Where you live, this may not be acceptable. You need to do your own due diligence and look at the law. Maybe consult a lawyer. They're probably going to charge you money because, you know, they do that just to talk to them. But I am not going to give you a definite answer whether these are legal to run this way or not. You need to decide that for yourself. Yeah, what else can I say about these mirrors here? I don't know. They work pretty good for me. You can get them set just right and they work really good, but then like the second you bump them out of alignment, they're dog shit. You spend like a week getting them set right again, and then just bump them again. I bump them all the time and it pisses me off. But right now it's not quite... Dude, my front end feels more shaky than normal. I don't know what's up with that, but should probably address that someday. Leave a comment down below if I should address my shaky front end. Nobody say anything. One of these days soon I am gonna do a video on tires and bearings, which should fix that shaky front end problem, but waiting for these tires to actually wear out. We are almost 2,000 miles in on them and they are still looking good, which is surprising for these no-name stock tires on the ever illustrious Boom Vader 125. I don't know why they're holding up so good and it makes me mad. I've had frickin' good years wear out faster than these. I don't know, what else can I say? Mirrors, they're reflective, you can see stuff. Mount them any way you want to, I guess, I don't know, but yeah, they are. The opening on them is 7/8, which is nice because you can clamp them to your bars and not have to do the bar end. If you want to do the bar end, then stick them in, clamp them to that. I will say I've seen a couple people using them. The throttle side seems to kind of be an issue. You either need to move this housing over or trim your throttle tube so that the tube is either flush or just past flush the end of the bar there. Otherwise your mirror will interfere with... What is going on here? Your mirror will interfere with the throttle and it might stick, which would be not good. We don't want sticky throttles. This is like a completely new development. I'm just gonna turn around. But yeah, you don't want your throttle to stick. You want it to be able to do its thing without, you know, yeah. So yeah, if you want to do the bar ends, that's completely acceptable. That's what they're designed to do. So I'm not going to fault you for it. Thought I had this mirror set back and I don't. It's like close, but not quite. Close but no cigarette. Speaking of cigarettes, I have gone 1 year cigarette free. That's a big deal, at least for me. The mirrors. The mirrors, the mirrors, the mirrors. I wasn't a fan of the stock ones. I mean, you all know they stick up and they look goofy. I couldn't get them to not look just directly at my shoulder. I actually could see less with the stock mirrors than I could these mirrors. These mirrors give me so much more visibility behind me. The stock mirrors I couldn't get set to look at anything but my shoulders. So they were kind of worthless in my opinion, as well as they just kind of looked stupid. So I went with these guys. And like I said, I had every intention on just throwing them on there for legal purposes. I had no ambition to actually use them. Also, another thing, when you take these stock mirrors out, you do have these kind of unsightly mirror like holes where they screwed in. You can buy little things that thread in there, like you can get them on Temu and AliExpress. They just say Grom, they thread in there. Or you can just take a bolt. I forget what size off the top of my head. I looked it up at one point because I was just going to put a bolt in there and then never did. It's not really that big of a deal. And they will get water in them or whatever, but like, whatever. Not like crazy critical, you plug those holes up. But you can get neat little like threaded dealios that say Grom. But yeah, mirrors. Bar end mirrors, screw in mirrors, I don't know. Get the kind of mirrors you want to get. I'm only here to answer questions about the mirrors I have. I can't tell you about any mirrors I don't have. Probably a great place to end this, I guess. Mirrors. I'm out of shit to talk about on my mirrors. Mick Tuning, I'll link them down below. They're from Amazon. They're cheap. They work if you get them set right. Yeah, I don't know. Peace. Dude, I really need all my friends to buy Groms and come just terrorize the town with me. Just a little Grom squad scooting around. If you think all my friends should get Groms, drop a comment. Tell those losers to get Groms.